Okay, fais-moi les miens. Like, leave him, don't leave him there, man. Wow, I'm tired.
Bruh! You see that, right? You see that, right? That's a Toyota 4Runner, Dad. No more of that 1980 whatever. No, this is. Come on to the car, Dad. What do you mean, no?
No, that's not good.
What?
I'm sorry. Good
Dad,
man.
I've been saving up to get you this car. I traded your car in and I got you this one right here, man.
I don't like that shit. That's a shit.
Dad, this is an upgrade. It's like when you get a new phone, you know, you get a better phone. You know, this is new model, Dad. This is shit. Dad, this is a new, come look at the car, Dad. Toyota 4Runner, okay? I traded in your, are you serious right now? Dad, this is, you had a 1998 Toyota, Dad.
This is that's the best car ever.
This is a new model. I want to get you 2000.
Don't make the machine. When they okay.
Come on, Dad, it's an upgrade, Dad. Look, you didn't have that. Did you have that hat for a long time? You got another hat and you...
Since 1987, before you even I get with your mommy and having the sex to have you.
Dad, that's a hat, okay? Forget that. This is a car, Dad. I want you to ride in something nice, and this is nice, man. You don't want that? What is that? Is that Lwil Maskretil? Is that Lwil? What are you doing with that? Dad. Oh my God. What are you doing, man? Are you serious? We gonna put that? Don't put that on the paint, Dad. You're gonna mess up the paint.
Don't push that. Oh
my God, man. This how you act when I do something nice for you?
Okay.
Oh! Okay. What the? Yo! Dad, listen. I don't know what you did. I don't know what you did, but turn it back.
Not even Obama can do what I do.
What do you mean?
That's right. Not even Obama can do that.
Okay, Dad. I don't.
Not even Obama can do that.
Just change it back, please. Just change it back.
No problem. I'm going to change it.
$15,000.
I'm going to change gas.
Dad. Where'd you even get the key from? How you got the key in your pocket? Dad, wait. Listen, Dad. Listen.
Don't touch me.
Dad, trust me, man. Dad, come on, man. $15,000. I traded the car.
That's your money. That's mine.
Look. Dad, come on. Dad, come on. Listen. Dad, please listen. Dad. Wait. Listen. Change the car back. Okay. I'll take it to the dealership. Okay. And then you can make any car your car. Because you can do it anyway, right? You can just find a dump in a junkyard and change it to your car.
What's that song that they meant?
What?
Now we heat.
Who? What? Dad, stop. Dad, please. No, Dad, don't do this. Dad.